This is the elevator at the Hotel Ithaca South Tower in Ithaca, New York.
Going up.
It's a Westinghouse with a Gen2 voice. Let's go to 10. And it's Scenic. Let's watch the view.
Floor.
Here we are at 10.
Going
That's the service elevator right there. We're gonna take a look at that later. Let's look out just this side going down.
First floor. Going up.
We're gonna go to 10 again. It says Westinghouse. Let's watch this side now.
Floor. Going down.
Let's get a cab view while we're up here. And actually, look at this. You can see down the shaft.
Going down.
I don't know if this is intentional or not, but it's like the shape of a house. Let's go to lobby. This time let's watch the indicator.
First floor.
Now let's look up the shaft.
Going up.
Take a look at that. You know what? Since these are such cool elevators, let's go for one more ride.
Floor.
In the distance, you should be able to see Cayuga
Going
Lake,
down.
like out that way. And also, Cornell's campus is out there. We're moving. I didn't hit a button. So, yeah, pretty cool elevator.
Going down. First floor. Going up.
We're not gonna ride it, but let's just take a look at the service elevator real quick. I'll cut the one we get. Here it is. So this one actually has the new Series M2 buttons. This was a mod, which I find to be really interesting because how come that elevator, the one that the passengers use, didn't get a full mod, but this one did. And also, this one's pretty tiny, 1,500 pound capacity. So interesting that the service elevator is smaller than the passenger elevator. All right, last but not least, we are going to send this up to 10 and go outside and watch it. Alright, and that'll be it.